manufactured by Crayola since 1903. Looks like my friends back at the factory are hard at work, which means that I better get busy refilling our molding table.
I don't mean to be yellow, but that looks steamier than hot magenta.
To make a Crayola crayon, they have to heat the wax all the way up to around 200 degrees.
Mango tango! That is hot!
And once I pour the wax, I just have to scrape on top of the table to make sure that all the holes get completely filled. Then ice cold water inside the machine moves all around to help cool and harden the wax.
Blizzard blue! Our newborns aren't dressed yet. They're probably freezing after getting that ice water poured on them.
Let's go check on them.
They're doing fine, you two, but they're not quite ready for their labels just yet. First, we have to take them out of the tray.
Ooh, what's this part called?
I think they call it dumping out the crayons.
Then each new Crayola crayon is inspected by a real person just like me. We take out any crayons that aren't quite ready yet, and then we get to do some coloring.
You do?
Of course. We have to make sure that the crayons don't just look perfect. We have to make sure that they're super strong and incredibly colorful. Plus, we want to make sure that they don't flake.
Because no one likes a flaky crayon.
Exactly. So I'll just take these few.
What happens to those poor little guys?
Don't be blue, Turk. They get to go back into the wax and try again.
Now are the crayons ready to get dressed?
Yep. The rest of our crayons passed with flying colors. And they're sitting right here in this hopper. And this stacker holds all their labels. Now, did you know that even though Crayola has over 200 different colors for their crayons, there are actually only 13 colors for their labels?
It makes getting dressed as easy as cherry pie. I always just pick the red label.
And you always look marvelous.
Aw, thanks.
We actually use a special type of non-toxic glue for the labels. It's just cornstarch and water. When I turn this machine on, the wheel will spin and get covered with our sticky glue before the crayons are guided down a chute and onto our golden wheel.
Down the slide, guys!
And once the crayon lands on a spot in the wheel, it gets covered up by a label. Then, this part of the machine down here, called the tucker, tucks the crayon into its label. Just like that.
Aww, they look so cozy.
Crayola labels